These speakers all look the same, but they're actually quite different. Here's why. This one is the 8020, a member of the 8000 series, our core line of professional studio monitors. With simple analog XLR connections, they are accurate, reliable, and ready to work anywhere. Now this looks identical, but the 8320 is a member of our Smart Active monitoring series and integrates with our GLM calibration software. These monitors and subwoofers will adapt to your room's acoustics to optimize each monitor for level, distance delay, subwoofer crossover phase, and room response equalization, providing a flat frequency response and neutral listening experience. The larger models in the SAM series also feature an AS-EBU connection in addition to the standard analog input. Take that same enclosure design and move it into the home with the G2, part of the G series. These active speakers feature simple RCA connections, a clean design, and the same trusted sound. Now, instead of being used in the home, the 4020 is designed for installed audio. Our 4000 series of installation speakers are known for flexible mounting options, consistent coverage, and reliability. Most importantly, these models accept analog audio via a Phoenix connector, allowing for ease of installation. Taking the electroacoustic package to even more applications, the 4420 moves everything onto a network. It's part of our Smart IP family of PoE Dante-enabled loudspeakers and subwoofers. The Smart IP series are easy to install and can receive audio, power, and management all via a single CAT cable. So there you have it. Different product lines, different connections, the same Genelec sound.